Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data transfer in MLBB. First, understand that data transfer in Mobile Legends. Bang Bang covers two main areas: securing your game progress across devices and efficiently sharing game resources. We'll guide you through linking your account to external platforms like Moonton or Facebook, ensuring your hard-earned progress is always safe. Additionally, we'll explore the resource transfer feature, a convenient way to share large game files directly between two devices without consuming mobile data. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted gaming experience. To safeguard your Mobile Legends progress, linking your account is crucial. Navigate to your in-game profile, then select the Account tab. Here, you'll find options to connect with platforms such as Moonton, Google Play, or Facebook. Choose your preferred service and follow the on-screen instructions to bind your account securely. This process ensures your game data, including heroes, skins, and rank, is saved and accessible across multiple devices, providing peace of mind and easy recovery if you ever switch phones or lose access. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Mobile Legends offers a unique resource transfer feature, allowing you to share large game assets like maps and skins directly between two devices. This is particularly useful for saving mobile data. Both devices need to enable Wi-Fi Direct and be placed near each other for a stable connection. The sending device must have the resources fully downloaded. This feature is currently available for Android devices running version 10 or higher, making it a convenient way to update game files quickly. 1279. To ensure your MLBB data remains secure, always link your account to at least two third-party platforms, such as Moonton and Facebook. This provides multiple recovery options. Never share your login credentials with anyone, and be wary of suspicious links or offers for free diamonds. If you ever lose access, utilize the in-game customer service and account recovery form, providing as much detail as possible, including your original device and network. Staying vigilant is key to protecting your valuable game progress. 10, 12, 14, 16, 17.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.